Forgotten username recovery failed on Citizens Bank fix. Getting locked out of your Citizens Bank account because you can't recover your username can be frustrating, but the good news is, there is a clear path to fix it. Most people make one small mistake that triggers the failure, and once you know what it is, recovery becomes straightforward. Start by visiting the Citizens Bank login page and clicking Forgot User ID. You'll be asked for your account number, last 4 digits of your social security number, and your date of birth. Make sure every detail you enter matches your bank record exactly. Even using an old address or nickname can cause a mismatch and block recovery. If the system says it can't find your information, try entering the email address associated with your account instead. Citizens Bank allows alternate verification methods depending on how your profile was set up. Didn't receive the recovery email? Check your spam or junk folder for a message from Citizens Online Banking. If you still don't see it, the problem might be with outdated contact info. In that case, your best option is to call customer service at 1-800-922-9000, 999. They can verify your identity and help reset your username manually. Here's the surprising truth. Citizens Bank's recovery system has extra layers of protection to prevent fraud. If it detects multiple failed attempts or login attempts from a new device, it automatically locks recovery for a short time. Waiting an hour before retrying often solves it. After regaining access, update your phone number, email, and security questions. Keeping these details fresh ensures a smooth recovery next time. Getting locked out isn't fun, but with these simple steps, you can take back control of your Citizens Bank account quickly and securely.